Hey guys, it's Ashley. Welcome to another Sunday. Today I'm coming to you with another DIY deep conditioner. In this one I'm using papaya and avocado, as you can already tell from the title. I didn't buy the papaya to put in my hair. I actually bought it to eat it, but I didn't get the chance to eat it. I had, when you have food and then every day you look on it and say, I'm gonna eat that today. But I just never get the chance to eat it, and it was in my fridge for like 2 weeks, I think. And as I was about to throw it out, my brother said that he thought I was going to use it in my hair. So I said, that's a good idea. If you're interested in seeing the results and all of that, just continue watching. So first, you want to start by cleaning up your fruits. So I'm removing the seeds from the papaya. I'm also removing the seed from the avocado. I put everything into a bowl and I add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of honey. Yeah, I use a blender to get everything smooth and creamy so that it will be easier to add to my hair and so that I won't have any chunks left. Now, because I used 2 whole fruits, it was a lot, so I had to add it to a jar and I put it in the fridge for storage. I'm going to use the rest like probably during the week sometime. So now I'm gonna start adding it to my hair, and guys, it smells so terrible. Finger detangle while I'm adding it to my hair and just twist up each section out the way. After I finished applying it to my entire head, I cover it with a plastic cap and then I wrap my towel around it and I leave it for 1 hour. After I rinsed it out, my hair was so soft and so fluffy. And then I call my brother for come feel it. So I'm sectioning my hair now so I can prepare for a twist out.
I'll go on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram at bagjuicepappy_.
I recently bought this product as an alternative to gel, so I decided to try it out today to use for my twist out. So I apply it to my hair and I'm doing a 3-strand twist out. So first I divide this one section into 3 parts and I plait the root. And then when I finish plaiting the root, that's when I start doing the twist. I hope you guys can watch what I'm doing and grasp the concept. If you can't, I'll do a separate tutorial on how I do my 3-strand twist. After I finished twisting up my hair, I left it overnight and I pulled it out the next morning and my hair was so shiny, it was so soft and fluffy. Yes, I'm actually pleased with everything that I did because my hair came out really good. It's so fluffy and I think it's because of the papaya. My hair isn't usually this fluffy. Well, not to me. I don't know if it look the same, but it feels so soft and fluffy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you have old fruits, please, you don't need to throw it away. You can just blend up everything and put in your ear. Thank you guys for watching. See you next week. Bye.